Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a chat widget to your funnel in GoHighLevel. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to GoHighLevel.com. Once you're on the page, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can access all your funnels and sites. After logging in, direct your attention to the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. Look for the option labeled Sites and click on it. This will open up a list of all your existing sites and funnels within your GoHighLevel account. Now browse through your sites and locate the specific funnel where you want to add the chat widget. Once you've found it, move your cursor to the right side of that funnel's row. You'll notice a three-dot icon there which represents additional options. Go ahead and click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various actions you can take for this particular funnel. From the drop-down menu that appears, select the Edit option. This will take you into the funnel editor where you can make changes and customize various aspects of your funnel, including adding widgets and modifying settings. Once you're inside the editor, look at the top navigation bar of the page. You'll see several tabs or options there. Click on Settings to access the configuration panel for your funnel. This is where you can adjust all the technical and functional aspects of your site. After clicking Settings, scroll down through the options until you reach a section called Tracking and Scripts. This section is specifically designed for adding various tracking codes, integrations, and widgets to your funnel, making it essential for enhancing functionality and user engagement. Inside the Tracking and Scripts section, you'll find an option labeled Chat Widget. This feature allows you to integrate a live chat or chatbot directly into your funnel, enabling real-time communication with your visitors and potentially increasing conversions through instant support. Click on the drop-down menu next to Chat Widget. You'll see a list of available chat widgets that you've previously set up in your GoHighLevel account. Select the chat widget you want to add to this funnel from the list. This ensures your visitors will have access to immediate assistance while browsing your funnel. Once you've selected your preferred chat widget, scroll down to the bottom of the settings page. You'll see a Save button there. Click on Save to apply all the changes you've made. This will activate the chat widget on your funnel and make it visible to your visitors. And that's it. You've successfully added a chat widget to your funnel in GoHighLevel, giving your visitors an easy way to reach out and engage with you. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.